Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video we'll talk about how to solve the linear equation. So stay with us and let's jump into the computer. Before we start solving the linear equation, we need to clear something. In every equation we have something called term. What is the term? Term maybe contain numbers and variables like this one, and maybe just variable. And the terms can be in the left hand side or the right hand side. But the most important thing that we need to know is that when we solve these equations, we need to put this x alone in one side of the equation and the other numbers here. So how we can do that? Simply, it is very easy actually. We just need to get rid of the other numbers here. So how we can do that? Let's say that we have 2x here. So what we can do now? The only and simple thing that we can do now is to put a negative 36 here, because 36 minus 36 equals 0. But it is not like that. When we add an operation or term in one side, we need to add it to the other side too. So that means we have 0 minus 36 in this side. And that means this negative 36 will go with this positive 36, and we will have just 2x equals 36 minus 36. And this step here, we will not do it anymore. It's just a waste of time. We will just jump to the other side and put the negative 36 on the other side directly, and it is easier like that. So let's jump into the examples. Here we have 2x plus 36 equals 0. The first thing we need to do is to get rid of this 36 and move it to the other side. The equation will be 2x equals to 0 minus 30x, which is the same like 2x equals minus 36. Now we have 2 multiplied by x. What we can do now? When you look here, you will see that when we have a multiplication, we need to convert it into division in order to get rid of this 2 here. So simply we'll divide over 2 on this side, but we have said that when we do an operation in one side, we need to do it in the other side too. So we need to divide over 2 in this side. This 2 will cancel this 2, and we will have just x equals to negative 18. Let's jump into another example. In this example, we have 3 terms, 3x plus 24 equals to 5x. We have this term with variable and this term with the variable. And this term is without variable, it's just numbers. So we need to put the variable in one side and the number in one side. The obvious thing that we can do now is to move this 3x to the other side. And this 3x is a positive. So when it is moved to the other side, it will be a negative 3x. So the equation will be like that, 24 equals to 5x minus 3x. 5x minus 3x is equals to 2x. And this 2x equals to 24. Now we need to get rid of this 2 by dividing the two sides of the equation over 2. That means this 2 cancels this 2, and we have just x in this side. It will be equals to 24 over 2, which is 12. Then our result x equals to 12. Let's jump into another example. In this example, we have 4 terms. 12x minus 32 minus 4x equals to 16. We need to do like that in order to know what terms we have. We have 2 terms with the variables and 2 terms just numbers. And like we have said, the numbers on one side and the variables in the other side. So we will move this minus 32 on the other side. It will be like that. 12x minus 4x equals to 16. This minus 32 is minus, so when it's moved to the other side, it will be positive. Then positive 32 in this side. 12x minus 4x is 8x equals to 16 plus 32, 48. Yeah. Now we need to get rid of this 8 by dividing the two sides of the equation by 8. The result will be x equals to 48 over 8 equals to 6. Yes, then our result x equal to 6. Another example for you. In this example, we have 4 terms. We have 20 minus x equals to 10 minus 2x. The obvious thing that we need to do now is to move this x to the other side. The result will be 20 equals to 10 minus 2x, and this x is minus, so when it is moved to the other side, it will be positive, so positive x in this side. So now we have a number here, we have 10. We need to move this 10 to the other side. This 10 is positive, and when it's moved to the other side, it will be a negative. So the result would be 20 minus 10x. So minus 2x plus x. It will be just x, because you have minus 2x plus x. So yeah, it's x. 20 minus 10 is 10. Then our x equals to 10. This is our video for today. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. In the next video, we will do more examples and more complicated examples about linear equation. So stay with us, and let's see you in the other video.